this background right here that you're seeing is fake. And this is my real background. Yes, I'm going to show you how I literally changed my background from this to this. Yes, as a content creator, you should always be concerned about your background, because sometimes when you use the same background over and over, your audience will literally get used to your videos, and this can literally affect your engagement on YouTube. So you have to always be stylish with your videos. Make your videos vibrant. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new on my channel, my name is Ben. Please make sure to subscribe, because on this channel I share important tricks and hacks on how to grow your YouTube channel. I also give tutorials about editing. Yes, if you want to change your editing game, if you're a content creator and you would like to change your editing game, just subscribe right now, and don't forget to turn on notifications so that every time I upload, you get notified that I've posted a new video. Have you ever reached a time and felt like your background is boring? Have you ever reached a time and felt like your audience is used to the background that you always use in your videos? I've come with a video that will answer all these kind of questions. If you don't like your background, if your background is boring, if your background is now used to your audience, I'm going to show you how to literally change that background in 3 simple steps. I say it again, 3 simple steps. Now, the first thing you need to have, it's a video. You literally need to record a video. You need to record a video as you always record your normal videos. But this time around, you have to make sure that your video is well lightened. You will need to use either a ring light or natural light. In case you cannot afford using a ring light, you can use natural light. It doesn't matter where you record your videos from, whether outdoors or indoors. If you record your videos from indoors, you can open the windows of your living room or any place that you record from, and you make sure that your video is well lightened with the natural light. Step number 2, it's all about the image that you're going to use in your background. Remember, you don't need to use any kind of image that you find, okay? Because YouTube is so much strict about copyright. You have to remember that there is copyright, and YouTube is so strict about copyright. And how do you get this image that will not cause you issues? You have to go to this kind of websites. There is Pixpy, there is Pixels, and different free footage websites. Now, this is one of the websites that you can get the backgrounds, okay? Now, we have Pixabay, and this is one of the best that I can literally recommend you to use, okay? So with Pixabay, this is the website. You tap here. After that, this is what will come next. And then you can tap in and say, for example, living room decoration, okay? And now it will bring here lots of living room pics and images, okay? Now you can download whatever image that you want, and this is the image that I used in my video, okay? So you can literally download any image that you want to use. And apart from this, I'll also show you another website here, which is called Pixels right here, and this is the website. You can literally tap on it as well and search for any kind of image that you want. With these websites, once you use their images or their videos, because they also have videos, you can download the videos as well and use in your contents. And once you use this kind of footage, no one will strike your video. You will not get any kind of problems in your videos. Now, as I said, these are 3 simple steps, and in our 3rd step, we are going to need an editing software. And for this case, we are going to use InShot. If you don't have InShot installed in your phone, you can literally download it from Google Play Store. Now, this is the default homepage of my InShot, and I'm going to show you how to edit and remove the background using this magical app. So I'll literally tap on video, as we're going to create a new video, and choose a random video here for our example today. Now, once you choose, this is what will come, and you have to change
the aspect ratio for YouTube. In case you're creating a video for YouTube, you just choose this ratio here. Now the next thing, it is removing the background itself. Okay, you just come right here and then you tap on cut out and you cut out the background. Now it is actually removing the background as you're seeing. Now the next thing, you change the background. You put an image in the background. Okay, so it is always here at the background, and then you tap right here and you choose your favorite image for your background. Let me try to use this. Now after this, you can now expand. You drag this video to expand it to fit the screen. Okay, yeah, as you see right there. Now once you're done with this, you can now remove this InShot watermark, and when you tap on it, they'll ask you to either join the pro features, to subscribe for pro features, or watch an advert, and this watermark will be removed. And you literally have to watch an advert so that they can remove that watermark from your video. This is how I literally remove my backgrounds in my video, and let me hope this was helpful.
If this video is helpful, please make sure to leave a like, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.